Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add comments, markup and annotation to your PDF file using Nitro Pro PDF Editor. This is my PDF file and I'll add comments and markup. Now select this review option and this highlight option. You can add highlight or highlight your text and see this. And this cross out. You can cross out and markup and see this. This text box. If you want, you can add text box and double click on this text box and type your text as side note. If you want, you can add call out and see this call out on the call out position and see this. Double click on this call out box and type text. Yeah, in this way you can add your comment, you can underline your text and see this. In this way you can add comments and annotate your PDF file. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.